Hey everybody, I was sent these reusable cleaning cloths for free so I could try it out and let you know my opinion. So I'm gonna do a demo for you, but I wanted to let you know first of all that I really do like them. What I like most about it is that it does a good job at actually cleaning off when you use them. So I expect to save a ton of money on paper towel in my house this year. So I just really love their main purpose is that they're reusable. So just go ahead and show you on my radiators here. You can see they're pretty dusty. So I wanted to just go ahead and use this reusable rag and wipe it down. You know, just a quick wipe, and you can see that it's pulling up a lot of that dirt and dust that was on there. So like a couple swipes, you can see everything that's on there. So I mean, it is doing a good job at capturing the things that's on my radiators. I've tried to wipe it down with the other things like you know, just rags or whatever, and it didn't seem to quite get it. But this actually does seem to be picking up all of the extra dust that's on there. And again, now that I've done this, I'm just gonna go rinse it off, and it rinses off really easy, and I'll let it dry out, and it'll be ready for me to use again next time.